Hello, Edy Bruinooge. It's nice to see you here at Money2020.
Good pronunciation, perfect.
I had a good teacher here. Thank you very much. Welcome to our Fintech Garden podcast. Happy to see you here. How is for you Money2020?
Money2020 here in Amsterdam is actually the party of the year for us, because it's in our backyard. We are from The Hague, and Amsterdam is very close to that. And everybody from all around the world comes to Amsterdam. So it's a real important event for us. It's also very small. Of course, it's not small, but it's cozy. In Dutch, we say gezellig, and that's perfect. So Money2020, good for us.
Well, fintech market is also, we can call it a cozy place.
Yeah,
I'll not be able to pronounce this word in Dutch.
Yeah.
Your company, ibanXS, it's an open banking platform. You succeeded to form a community of 2,500 banks across Europe.
Yeah.
You build this platform, you're selling your services. I heard a lot of good things about your services. But market all the time is shifting mostly in the last year, and 2026 and 2027 will be a big shift of the market. Where the market of banking is moving to, where it's maybe, I don't know, something is in danger maybe?
No, the nice thing is, if you look a little bit back, then it was open banking. And you have, of course, two products, the payment products and the information products. And you saw in the last 5 years that both of them started to grow, but not immensely. But the last year, and 2026 will be that year, pay by bank, the payment side of open banking, is going to the roof. And that's because all around Europe, all those pay by bank companies, we provide pay by bank infrastructure, but on top of that infrastructure, all those companies really understand the importance of a European payment method that there is already for 6 years. So what will happen with open banking in 26 and 27 and 28 is pay by bank will be enormously successful, because everybody understands that the reach of more than 2,500 banks, or maybe 5,000 banks, we are growing, but our competitors, our partners will grow as well. And pay by bank will be one of the dominant European payment methods that can compete with the big tech companies like Visa and Mastercard.
When you started your company, I mean, there were already some established players on the market. There are companies with success and bad luck. What decision, what thing you did differently that other companies did that now provided you the success you have now?
Two things are important with that, because what we saw is it's a big market. So our competitors, and I call them not competitors but other companies, the market is so big that there is room enough for smaller companies, startups like us, and the bigger incumbents. But what we did was, and that's the second thing, focus. Because focus is so important, and everybody's walking around. So this is Money2020, so that's good. No, but focus is important. So we focus on quality and connections. And we have now more than 2,500 connections, but we all do them ourselves. And when we say ourselves, that means we don't use aggregators, and our competitors do. And that means that our success rate is much higher. So focus on quality and the speed to get all the connections are very important.
If you were a founder today with a fresh new company, with your experience...
Oh my God, I had hair when we started.
Yeah. Now
it will turn gray again. Yeah.
Anyways, if you were a founder now, with your experience, what do you think are the biggest challenger for a founder now?
What we did in the beginning was first search for we call them angel investors. We had angel investors in the beginning that stayed with us all the time. So that's very good, because founding a company takes time. And in order to be successful, you don't need in the second year investors that really want profit and stuff. When you get profit, it's perfect. But in the second year, maybe that's hard. So find the right partners on investments. The second one is, again, that focus, because without focus, it's a long way. The success story is not in being there, but having the great products and having your eye on the client. What is the client's wish and how is the payments, because we are here at Money20, how is the payments industry, the ecosystem evolving? So my advice would be good products,
And focus.
good investors.
Thank you very much for your time as I came here. It was a pleasure to discuss with you.
Thank you.
Good luck to your product and stay tuned. Bye-bye.
Thanks.